In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dynamic zoom in Davinci Resolve, perfect for adding movement and life to your static shots. Dynamic zoom provides a powerful tool to effortlessly enhance your video projects. I'll guide you through the process from start to finish, ensuring you master this feature with ease and creative flair. First off, to begin, make sure you have Davinci Resolve open on your computer. Once you have it up and running, it's time to dive into your project. Click on an existing project if you've already been working on it, or feel free to create a new one if you're starting from scratch. This will bring you to your project's workspace. Now look for the Edit page. This is the hub for all your video editing tasks within Davinci Resolve. By navigating to the Edit page, you'll have access to all the tools necessary to modify and perfect your video clips. It's your playground for editing creativity and precision. Once you are comfortably situated in the Edit page, turn your attention to the Inspector panel. The Inspector is an essential tool in Davinci Resolve, where you can adjust various properties of your clips. You'll find it typically on the right side of your workspace. If it's not open already, simply click the Inspector button to enable it. With the Inspector open, let's focus on the Dynamic Zoom feature. Within the Inspector, you'll see an option labeled Dynamic Zoom. Clicking on this will activate the feature and allow you to customize the dynamic zoom properties according to your preferences. You'll notice that once you enable it, your video clip will automatically apply a dynamic zoom effect. By default, this might zoom in or out on your clip, creating a smooth and professional-looking zoom motion. Davinci Resolve offers some flexibility for customization. If you want to reverse the zoom direction or adjust the focus, you can fine-tune it using the settings within the Dynamic Zoom section. Options include control over the zoom style and parameters, providing you with the freedom to craft the exact movement your video needs. And that's it. With these simple steps, you have successfully utilized Dynamic Zoom in Davinci Resolve. It's a fantastic way to subtly shift focus or add some energy to otherwise static scenes. Feel free to experiment with different speeds and directions to find the perfect dynamic zoom that complements your storytelling. As you continue practicing and experimenting, you'll find endless creative possibilities using dynamic zoom in your video projects. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and techniques on making the most out of Davinci Resolve. Happy editing!